In this video, I'm going to show you how to steal your competition's recruiting clients using Recruitemy Leadcast. Let me show you a way that I get recruiting clients using this strategy through Recruitemy Leadcast and LinkedIn. All I do is go to my LinkedIn account, not my premium, not Sales Navigator. So you don't need this to do this strategy. Free LinkedIn account. Go ahead and click search right here, hit enter. This strategy was discovered by one of our members at Recruitemy, Parker Cheney. All credit goes to Parker Cheney. I love when my members find different things within our tools that work really well that maybe I was not aware of. So when you click search and you click enter, all you want to do is click on people. Up here, go ahead and do your Boolean search of CEO, VP, founder, or owner as an example. So what we're doing is we're building a list of people within my recruiting niche, which is the wireless telecom niche, of who are decision makers, people that can sign a check, that are in a hiring authority to hire the candidates that I would need to get hired. And so we're building that list in the free portion of LinkedIn. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to pick somebody who competes with me in my recruiting niche. I have a woman that is really great on LinkedIn. She's got like over 10,000 connections on here, somewhat of an influencer, a keynote speaker. And I'm going to go ahead and snipe all of her first degree connections that are CEOs and founders, because the logic is if she's connected with some of these people, then there's going to be a percentage of them that obviously use her to fulfill recruiting needs, hiring needs. And I want to connect with them and introduce myself and also be a recruiting resource for them. So this is a great way, a sneaky tactic to snipe your recruiting niche competitors, hiring managers. All right, so I'm going to click on all filters and I'm going to go with second and third degrees. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pick United States, but you can filter by any location. And then as far as industry, I'm going to go down to industry and let's go ahead and pick the industry that I'm in, which is wireless services. We'll keep it at wireless for now. Then I'm going to scroll up here, go to connections of. This is where you do the sneaky tactic. I'm going to put in her name, which is, and there we go, guys. We've got 22,000 results right here of people that is connected to that I am currently not connected to. So I can go back to that search and filter it further by certain locations to get this number down. That's how you do it. That's how you get a sneaky result back of your competitors who are currently connected as first degree connections with these executives, these hiring authorities that you want to connect with. For those of you watching this video, I was in a place one time where I couldn't really run my recruiting business full time because I was doing other things. Maybe I was employed by a company, getting a salary. I just wasn't ready to make the conversion. Bottom line is your time is limited. Let's figure out a way to scale out your first degree invitation connections on automation so you don't have to sit here all day and hit connect and spend hours on LinkedIn. So what we're going to do is simply copy this URL and we're going to go into our proprietary tool called Recruitemy Leadcast. And this tool is phenomenal. I'll give you an example. All you would do is hit create new campaign. We're going to go ahead and keep it as LinkedIn search result. Again, you don't need Sales Navigator for this particular strategy. You just paste it right here. We call it Heather Moyer Hiring Manager Leads. And then you're going to hit next. So I'm not going to do that here because I'm on one of my members' accounts, but when you hit next, it's going to prompt you to go ahead and create your automated sequence that's going to go out to that list of 22,000 people. I'll give you a preview what that looks like with one of Matt's campaigns. This is a great campaign that Matt is running, is renewable energy one. And all we did was from the steps, we went ahead, we have a filter here to collect everyone's contact information. So we're able to capture their email address, their phone number, which is great for dropping into your CRM. This tool does that for you, but here it is, guys. Here is the simple sequence that we set up. Invite to connect. We put a message right here, an automated message with their first name, and we hit boost to connect, which allows you to bypass that 20 connection rule every day, that restriction that LinkedIn puts on you. And you hit save changes and start. And from there, what you'll see is you'll have campaigns here with all of those leads coming in to your Recruitemy Leadcast account. And there's no reason to go through all of these. You want to cast a wide net, get that first degree connection acceptance going out there. That is the way to snipe your competitors, hiring managers. And once you get first degree connections, you then want to send that one-on-one personalized video to them, get them in your network, get them around your ecosystem of LinkedIn, start posting on LinkedIn every day so they're seeing your post, you're becoming an authority figure, you're establishing trust and credibility with them, and you're creating inbound leads. That's the way to grow your staffing company, to get qualified leads of people who want to work with you. So if this was helpful for you, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. There's more videos and value content coming your way. Below, there's going to be 3 call to actions. We have a brand new free recruiting training site. There's no gimmicks here. There's no catch. There's no money required. Please click that link below. We'll send you an invite right into our free training site, free recruiting training site for you. You also have the option to book a call with me directly if you're ready to find out more about these strategies, or you can join our Facebook group page with Recruitemy. Thanks, guys.